I've wanted to record a Bubble Essentials course for some time now. This is everything that I feel comes up as a repeat topic or repeat issue in all of the hundreds of Bubble coaching calls that I run, the YouTube comments that we get. It's all going to be condensed into this course, and it's going to be condensed into three parts. Firstly, we're going to look at security, and that's coming first because of how vital and crucial it is. Then we're going to look at lean development. We'll be taking some inspiration from disciplines within traditional coding and looking at how to apply them within no code and building with Bubble. And then lastly, we're going to look at extending Bubble. These are all of the bookmarks I've basically made over the years of services that I've tried, I've recommended that can enhance your Bubble app, from anything from emails, sending to users like notifications, etc., all the way through to AI. But before we dive into that, this is a collaborative process. This is a community platform. I want to hear from you. Start by telling me down in the comments, whether that is down below or to the right, somewhere on the page, there's a comment button. Please click it. Don't skip this bit. We want to hear your feedback. We want to hear what you're building with Bubble, and this will really help us to decide what content to create in the future. So start by telling us what's your experience of Bubble.io, and maybe you can compare that to other no-code tools you've used in the past. Have you built with Wix, Webflow, Squarespace, Elementor, for example? What is easy building with Bubble? What have you found easy so far? And what have you found difficult? What are your main pain points? Please don't skip it. Take a minute, 2 minutes to write a comment answering these questions on this video. And then I promise you, next video, we're going to launch right into Bubble security.